Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. Aquarius, this is for the weekend of the 2nd of October, that's 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, before I put your cards down, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading as always. So my angels, what do you have for Aquarius for this weekend? What? Sorry. Okay. So what do we have for Aquarius for this weekend, Spirit? My angels? The card they have for you is this one. Speak your truth. So Aquarius, if you have been keeping some things in your heart and not sharing them, I think it's time to let it be known. It's time to say what's on your mind and not keep it hidden deep within. Okay, it will relieve you of a lot of stress, a lot of worry as well. So sometimes we keep things in our heart and we assume and presume the worst. So it's best to speak it out and get the correct answer. Let's see why this card was here anyways. Let's open the cards and see why this card wanted to show through. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. We meet here monthly, weekly, now even weekends. So if you enjoy the reading, do join us. And we welcome you here. Of course, this is a small reading, Aquarius. Your longer readings are coming soon. And here I have Aquarius for you, the Ace of Wands, making plans to charge forward in a fantastic way. So the first card I have for you is the Ace of Cups, Aquarius, Ten of Cups, and the Empress, Nine of Cups, Four of Pentacles, the Temperance. Now I will open the last three cards later. Let's see what's happening here. So here I see Aquarius, there's a lot of love here, but right now people are holding back, right? The people are holding back, not showing the love and affection which should be, which is leading you or your person or both of you not to feel emotionally satisfied. There is everything here in order, and you as a person on your own are doing pretty well. You're safe, secure, you have your money, you have your abundance, everything in order. There's a lot of self-love, I think, here as well, as the Empress card is here. But somewhere there is a bit of dissatisfaction here. Could be related to finances, but that also can't be, because the Empress and the Nine of Pentacles is here, which represents stability. So the whole problem here, I think, Aquarius, is that even though there's a lot of love between two people, somebody here is not showing it, right? There is a lack of showing love. Yeah, things have really stalled here in this department, where I think you guys are not really showing each other. Maybe because there is a bit of anger or regret or hurt from the past which stops you from making a move towards your partner. That's why I think Spirit said, speak your truth. Don't keep things hidden in your heart, Aquarius. There is a lot of love in this equation. Don't waste it, right? Release this fear that you have. This could be any toxicity in your life, could be any negative emotion from this spread. It just looks like an emotion. Maybe some past hurt that you're holding on to. Maybe it's some past anger, fight, upset that you're holding on to. So Aquarius Spirit is saying, this weekend, speak your truth, right? And forget whatever, if something is bothering you. There is nothing holding you back except yourself. You have everything provided. You are the queen of, the empress, sorry, not even a queen. You are the empress. You are the epitome of love, beauty, abundance, and love. And instead of holding back this weekend, I think it's time to bring some balance back into your life and in your relationships. So anyways, let's take some clarifiers, Aquarius, and then we'll open your final 3 cards for the weekend. So to see how it's going to go. So Spirit, why is the Ten of Cups in reverse? Why is the Ten of Cups in reverse? Why is the Ten of Cups in reverse, Spirit? Yes, because somebody is not going forward to the other person to say sorry or apologize or take a love offer to the other person, right? So this weekend, I think Spirit is saying it's time for one of you to make a move. Otherwise, you're both going to end up feeling dissatisfied with the way your weekend's going to go. There is so much potential here. The Empress is here, right? So there is a lot of potential for fertility, growth, happiness, abundance. The only thing which is keeping you apart is, I think, your own heads and not speaking up or not apologizing. Yeah, the Empress is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles. This is the highest of feminine energy that I can see, right? This Queen of Pentacles is also very hardworking. She's abundant. She's loving, nurturing, caring. So either you are this partner, Aquarius, or this is your partner. Either way, there is so much potential for emotional happiness here. It's just that somebody is holding on very tight and not allowing themselves to feel this emotional happiness. So let's see with this Nine of Cups. Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse? Why is the Nine of Cups in reverse? Nine of Cups is clarified by the Chariot. Just hold on one second. My phone is buzzing. Apologies, my phone rang. I had to stop for a second, but Nine of Cups in reverse is clarified by the Chariot. So I think it's time and there's a Tower moment as well. I think to get rid of this unhappiness, I think one of you has to pick yourselves up and move. Why is there a Tower moment, Spirit? Because a choice has to be made now, Aquarius. I think enough time has gone by. One of you has to make a sudden change now in the way things are going in the relationship, right? Make this change, make a choice. There is a lot of potential here, but here I see somebody holding back. Why is the Four of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Four of Pentacles in reverse? Sorry, it's upright. One more. Yes, I think there is a feminine energy here who is still a bit upset, a bit restless. There is somebody not, I think maybe something happened in the past which upset this person and is holding back. So there's going to be, I think, a sudden Tower moment which is going to get you guys back together this weekend. There's going to be somebody making fast movement towards the other to bring back, some balance back into this relationship. So what's this Temperance card, Spirit, for Aquarius? I think the other person has just been waiting, not feeling victorious, not feeling the Empress's warmth. And now I think somebody is going to make a move this weekend, and so that the Wheel of Fortune can now move again in a forward movement. They haven't been feeling happy without this Empress, and somebody is going to make a move. Let's see what your weekend has. Three of Cups, Knight of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, things have not been very friendly, I think, between the two of you. But somebody is coming here, Aquarius, in this weekend to make a romantic gesture. Right? Enough is enough. No more being apart, no more being upset. When we love each other, we might as well show each other, because Aquarius Seven of Pentacles is here. Somebody feels a lot of investment has already been put into this relationship, and it's really not worth losing it. So let's take clarifiers for this. Three of Cups, Spirit. Three of Cups. Why is it Three of Cups here? And why is it in reverse? Yeah, this masculine energy is not feeling stable at all without being on a happy level, I think, with his Empress. So this is the person who's, I think, going to make a move and bring in some romance back in this weekend. Knight of Cups spirit, Knight of Cups, Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Cups, but that's in reverse. I think this person is feeling that they may get rejected. They are feeling a bit unstable in their mind and feeling if I make a move towards my person who's sad and depressed and angry with me, there may be a chance of them rejecting me. Now, when I say masculine energy and feminine energy, Aquarius, I don't mean the man has to make the move and the woman is angry. No, whoever can embody their masculine side more should just go ahead and make this gesture, right? It's not always that a man is always in his masculine energy. Sometimes they embody their feminine side, which is the loving, caring, sweet side of them. Sometimes it could be the female, the woman, who could be more in her masculine energy and go propose to the guy, or take charge of the situation. So whoever is feeling that it's time, please make that gesture. There should be no competition in relationships or happiness. So what's the Seven of Pentacles spirit? Seven of Pentacles. One more. There's a lot of waiting and watching going on, Aquarius, I think this weekend. Somebody is very afraid to feel rejected. They're not sure whether they will be accepted for a new beginning. But because of all that mischief or whatever has happened, they're feeling a bit disillusioned actually. Listen, Aquarius, if you are the one who's upset, please know that your person really loves you and they're feeling afraid and disillusioned that any move they make towards you will not be accepted. They are afraid you're not going to give them a fresh beginning, right? So, but yes, there has been a lot put into this relationship. I'm sure you both feel that. And whoever's seeing this reading, if you can pick yourself up and make the first move, please do. If whatever they've done is forgivable, because I do see that there's a lot of love to be had here, right? There's a lot of happiness and love to be had here. Right now, both of you are feeling miserable. So speak your truth and take a chance. Life is short, don't waste it. That's all I have for you, Aquarius. Love and light. Namaste. See you soon.